Welcome back. In our last lesson, we defined decision making and discussed its importance. Now let's explore the different kinds of decisions you might face, because understanding this will help you choose the most appropriate decision-making approach in regard to choosing your own decisions. Understanding decision categories. There are several ways to categorize decisions. Let's have a look at some key distinctions. Programmed versus non-programmed decisions. Programmed decisions are those involving routine or repetitive situations. They often have clear rules or procedures in place. For example, reordering office supplies when stock runs low. Non-programmed decisions are those for novel or unique situations lacking pre-established guidelines. These demand more creative problem solving and careful analysis. For example, deciding on a new marketing strategy for a brand new product launch. Coming to strategic versus operational decisions, strategic decisions have high-level, long-term implications. They align with an organization's overall goal and direction. For example, deciding whether to expand into a new market. Operational decisions deal with day-to-day activities and the implementation of strategic plans. For instance, determining production schedule changes to meet increased demand. Individual versus group decisions. Individual decisions are made by a single person. They offer speed and clarity of responsibility. For instance, an employee prioritizing their daily tasks. Group decisions involve input and collaboration from a team. These benefit from diverse perspectives but can take a bit longer. For instance, a committee deciding on a new hiring policy. We have got some additional factors as well, such as beyond these broad categories, consider other factors impacting your decisions. For instance, urgency. How quickly is a decision needed? Risk. What are the potential consequences, both positive and negative? Coming to complexity, how many variables and moving pieces are involved? The value of categorization. Recognizing the type of decision you're facing helps in several ways. Appropriate effort. Avoid overanalyzing the simple routine decisions, but ensure you dedicate enough time and resources to more complex, novel ones. Right tools. Certain decision-making tools or techniques are better suited to specific decision types. Collaboration needs. Understanding whether a decision is best made alone or with a group informs your approach. Wrapping up, not all decisions are created equal. By understanding these decision categories, you become better equipped to tailor your approach and make more informed choices.